Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locating the exact image you need. Use Google Images in a desktop browser because you get full context menus. This makes copying a URL reliable. Type precise search terms, then apply tools filters for size or color so you don't pick a low-res photo. When thumbnails appear, click to open the larger preview and pause. Do not copy from tiny thumbnails. Right-click on that preview next. This is the first actionable step to reveal the image link options. Once the preview is open, right-click and select Copy Image Address or Copy Image URL. Browsers label it slightly differently. If that option is missing, choose Open Image in New tab, then switch to that tab and copy the address shown in the URL bar. Make sure the link points directly to an image file. Good URLs typically end with JPG, PNG, or GIF. Verifying the extension ensures you copied the file itself rather than a page URL, which matters when embedding or downloading images. After copying, paste the URL into a new tab or a text editor to test it. Press Enter and confirm the image loads directly. If the image is blocked or shows a placeholder, go to the image source page via the Previews Visit or Open link and copy the direct file URL from there. Make sure the image isn't behind protection or paywalls. If things go wrong, inspect permissions and use licensed or public domain images to avoid copyright problems. This is the single most important troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.